Hello everyone, greetings to you. So based on all that we are studying, where we started from hashing to encryption to decryption, I just put this system together to also aid those of us who want to still keep on working on the hashing and the encryption and decryption. So this system, which is the service.getadverse.com/hash crypto tool. If you want to do the hashing, okay, so you just type in your words here, then let's say I am good. So if you want the SHA-1 algorithm, SHA-256, SHA-384 and SHA-512, you pick what you want, then you actually click on compute hash, then the hash value will be computed over here for you. So this is the hash value. Okay, so if you want to compare and verify, you just paste it here and you see it matches. But then if I add how are you, do I'm good, I'm good, or something like that, and you compute the hash and you paste in the original hash of how I'm good, or you see it is not matching. Okay, so basically that is how it works. Okay, so that is for the hashing, and you know hashing cannot be reversed. So when you hash a value, there's no way you can revert it back to how it was. Okay, so we have the SHA-256 also, which will give another type of hashing. If you paste it here, you see it matches, but if I change and add another word and I compute a hash, you see it does not match. Okay, so that is for that. And we look at this one, where the HMark hashing, where you can enter a secret key and you use it to hash it. Then we come to the encode and the decode. So probably you add a test here. I am good. Okay, I am good. So this is the I am good. Okay, so the I am good is going to give you this kind of test over here. Okay, so if I copy this test and I come to decode, okay, and I enter the value that you see I am good has now come here. So it means that this one is able to encode and decode the test. Okay, yeah, then we have the URL one also, and we have the hex and the JWT. Okay, so these are just there. Then you come to the key generator. These ones are not what we talked about. So I just want us to look at the encryption here once again. So for the encryption, let's probably look at what we did with the document one. Okay, so I come to document, then looking at the password, which is the symmetric one, where I will upload a document from my system. So let's say I upload this document here. No, let me upload a PDF. Okay, let me upload this PDF here. So I upload this PDF here. Okay, then I set a password. So I set a password. Okay, so I'll now click on encrypt. So this has been encrypted. So when I download it and I open it here, I should be able to, you see. So when you open it, you will see that, let me use this one. You will see that when I open it, it has been encrypted. Okay, so now this same document, I want to decrypt it. Okay, so I just come to decrypt, then I'm going to actually bring in the encrypted document. Let's bring in the encrypted document. I put it here, then let me try to enter a password which is wrong. Then I click on decrypt. See, password is wrong. So when I enter the correct password, then I click on the decrypt. You see, the file has now been decrypted, and I can download it and I'll get the original file, which is the one that I uploaded. So this is for the encryption and decryption using the symmetric with a password. Okay, now I can use the asymmetric, which will be the public key and the private key. So with this one, I'll just generate a pair of codes. Okay, a pair of public keys. Okay, so I'll just generate one for the sender. So this public key I've downloaded here will be the sender's public key. Okay, so let me just paste it here for you. So this is the public key. Okay, public, the public. Then I also copy this one, which is the private key. Good. So this is the sender. Now let me go to the receiver. So I'm going to generate another pair, and this pair that I'm generating, this is the receiver. This is the receiver. Then this is the private key for the receiver. Good. Now I'm just going to refresh and start over again. Now that I have the two, so I come to the encrypt, then I come to document and public key. So now let me put in the data. Okay, let me delete this one. Let me upload the PDF. So I want to encrypt this PDF. So me being the manager, or let's say, yeah, me being the manager, I want to encrypt this and I'll send it to the secretary to decrypt. So now here I am the sender, so I have to put in my public key. So I just come here, pick my public key, then I just come here. Okay, so this is my public key and my private key. So I put it in over here. Okay. So this is my private key. Then here I'm going to paste the public key of the recipient. So this is the secretary. So I just copy the secretary's public key and I paste it here. So I'm going to encrypt this document with my public key and private key and the public key of the secretary. So I just click on encrypt. So now this document has now been encrypted. I can download it. So this is the downloaded document. Okay, this is the downloaded document. So it has been encrypted. Now the secretary needs to decrypt this. Okay, so all that needs to happen is that, let me refresh again. So now let's say that the secretary has received the document. So the secretary will come to the decrypt on the same system, come to encrypted file, encrypt file, then come to private key section. So the secretary will come here. Then the secretary will now upload the document that has been encrypted. Okay. So now when the document is added, let me say I just write in anything over here. Okay. Then I try to decrypt. You see, decryption field, wrong private key or corrupted file. So now I need to put in the receiver's public key. Who is the receiver? The receiver is the secretary. So the secretary public key will be here. Then the secretary is going to enter her secret key also here. Okay. Then for integrity and identification sake, would have to bring in the public key of the manager, the one who sent the document. So I enter that here. Then I just click on decrypt. So now you see it has been decrypted. So you are decrypting with the secretary is decrypting with her public key and private key and the public key of the manager who sent the document to the secretary. And that is done for identification and integrity sake. So that we know, okay, this document came from the manager to the secretary. So the secretary can now download the document and now we have the financial document view over here. So I just created this system and I wanted to share with you. Those of you who want to still work on this, you can now simply use this system to do a lot of practice. Thank you for using this encryption system.